Hi everyone, we're going to do a bit of a seed growing experiment today. So we're going to look at the different variables on how seeds grow and what we can do to help that. So we're going to use three, testers. So we're going to get 3 cups. I've used plastic cups only because they're going to stay quite moist and they're going to be in different spots in your house, so we don't want them to leak, which is what the biodegradable cardboardy ones are going to do. They are plastic, so this is something that you can reuse and then recycle when you're finished. So what we need is 3 cups. We need some seedlings. I don't know if you can see them. So we're just using alfalfa seeds, and then we need some soil. So I've just got some in a little container there, and I'm using 3 paddle pop sticks so we can put them in the seed pots and you can see which ones are which. So we have one that says light plus water. So that is, we're gonna, when we plant that one, that's gonna go, I guess, on a windowsill in a nice sunny spot. You're gonna water that one as normal. Then we're gonna do one that says dark plus water. So this one, we're going to get a little bit creative with this one and see what happens. So we're going to plant that one as normal. We're going to water it still, but we're going to keep this one in a cupboard, like a dark cupboard in maybe your pantry or wherever. So that one's not going to get sun. So that will be interesting to see what happens with that one. And then the last one, we're going to do one that's light with no water. So we're just going to plant it. We're going to use no water at all, and we're just going to see what happens. You can also extend this further and you could do one in the fridge with or without water and see what happens there. You could do one outside in full sun, inside, so many different variables. But today we're just going to do these 3. So we're going to make these and see how they go. Fill your cups halfway up full of soil. You could use soil from your garden, or you could buy a bag of potting mix if you don't have any. Once you've done that, then sprinkle a tiny bit of seeds over the top. We've used alfalfa seeds here for this experiment. After you've put the alfalfa seeds on, then you want to put a tiny layer of soil over the top again, just to cover our little seedlings up. Okay, so now that we've prepped them all and they've all got soil and the little layers of seeds and then a small layer of soil back over the top, we're going to water them. So remember, only 2 get watered and 1 doesn't. So we're going to start off with the no water one first. So we're going to go the light no water stick, put that in there, and then we're going to pop that away so we don't accidentally water that one. Then I'm just using a dropper. You can use whatever. They don't need a lot of water because there's only a small amount. So I'm just going to put a little bit in there. I've just put 2 droppers, which is maybe 10 mil, 20 mil, 3 droppers. And then this one. So what we're going to have to do is, with the ones that do get water, every couple, like every day, check them and then see if they need more water. If they need more water, add a little bit more in. So I'm going to have this one will be the light plus water. So this will be in a nice sunny spot. And then we've got dark plus water. So that one will go in a cupboard. So we have our 3 little pots. Look. Remember, one has no water and the other 2 do. So let's go find a perfect spot to put them. The dark plus water cup, that's in a dark cupboard, and I will keep the doors to that one shut. The other 2 cups are sitting on a sunny windowsill where they get lots of sun all day. So we've put our little seedling pots in their spots. We've got the one in the dark cupboard, so the doors for that are always shut, so we'll see what happens with that one. And then the other 2 we have on the windowsill. So they're side by side in a really nice sunny position. One's going to get watered and one's not going to get watered. So it's going to be very interesting to see what happens with those guys in the next couple of days. So we'll do a check back in soon and we'll see how our plants are growing. See you later.